In this tutorial, I will teach you how to make a copy of a Google Doc. As you can see here, I'm not able to edit this document. And so what I want to do is make a copy of it so that I can make edits. So I'm going to go to File, click Make a Copy. I'm going to title my document. Always good practice to write your first name and your last name as the title of your document. And you can keep this the same. That way it's easy to find it in your drive. I'm going to click OK. And you can see that now I have access to this document. It belongs to me, has my name on it. And now I can go ahead and start typing. So I'm going to go ahead and type my name here. Ruth Asawa, period 4. And then I can start typing into the boxes here. And there you go. That's how you make a copy of your document. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.